How to recover deleted messages on your Messenger application. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, one of the easiest way on how you can do this is by turning on the secure storage. By doing that, you will be able to recover your messages from your other devices or even deleted messages if you haven't turned that on yet. So first things first, let's go ahead and open up our Messenger. And once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you want to go ahead and navigate through the gear icon. Once inside, you then want to scroll down until you see the privacy and safety. Once inside, you then want to look for the end-to-end encryption chats right here. Go ahead and click on the message storage because this can actually go ahead and store messages on our messenger. From here, you can then go ahead and see when was my messages last backup, and all you have to do is to go ahead and make sure that this setting is turned on. And from there, you might go ahead and recover deleted messages. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.